In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on DeepSeek. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so the interface appears in the language you prefer. I'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way so nothing slows you down. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press Enter. In the results, look for the official DeepSeek website. It should clearly reference DeepSeek and not a third-party blog or a sponsored page. Click the official link to open the site. Once you're on the DeepSeek homepage, locate the language control and click on English. On many layouts, this appears at the top right of the page, sometimes as a small drop-down, or it may be represented by a globe or a flag icon. Selecting English here ensures the rest of the steps and menus appear in a language that's easy to follow. After that, click Start Now. This button is usually prominent on the main page and takes you into the app interface where your account tools and preferences live. Inside the app, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile area. It might show your avatar, initials, or a small user icon. Click that profile section to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where DeepSeek lets you control general preferences, appearance, notifications, and, most importantly for today, language. In Settings, scroll or scan for the language option. It may be listed under General, Preferences, or a similar category. When you find language, click it to open the list of available languages. You'll see a menu of choices supported by DeepSeek. Select your desired language from the list. In many cases, the interface will update automatically within a moment or two. If the change appears partial, give it a second to refresh the menus, or navigate to a different page within the app and back again. Most of the time, that's all it takes for the entire interface to switch over. That's it. You've changed the language on DeepSeek. Remember, you can return to settings anytime if you want to switch languages again. Keeping the site in a language you're comfortable with makes navigation faster and helps you get more done. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with these steps the next time you set up DeepSeek on a new device or browser.